My name, Cameron Chipmunk. Yay! Don't eat the newspaper laugh! Anyway, what's up, YouTubians? Whoa, there, I just had a spaz attack, and that kind of scared me. I hope that doesn't happen again. But guys, listen up, okay. So you know my second video ever, of Cameron Chipmunk, right? Yeah, it was about me getting a letter from Fred. Then I later found out that it was a Fred impersonator. I'm so happy I found a Fred impersonator! Okay, guys, okay. Are you guys ready? Okay, guys, are you ready to find out who it is? Calm down, you don't need to yell, you don't need to be like, tell me now, tell me! No, please don't be like that, no, please. Stop, it's kind of scaring me. I will tell you, if you calm down, I will tell you. I will tell you if you calm down. Just calm down, I'll tell you who the Fred impersonator is. Are you calm down? Okay, then I will tell you. The Fred impersonator is Maskey. Whoa. That was one freaky voice I just used. Now, I know you guys getting all scared and whatnot, but that voice I just used, yeah, that kind of scared me a little bit. So Maskey is here with me, and he's going to tell you why he did it. So, Maskey!
Hey everybody, hey, it's me, Maskey. So, I gotta tell you something. Yes, I did reach puberty, so I don't have my squeaky voice anymore. It said that it's very deep. And, yeah. The only reason why I did the Fred impersonator thing was, well, I just wanted to be fun, you know? I just thought, I just wanted to become friends with Cameron more, so I just pulled a little prank. I didn't know he was a big fan of Fred. I mean, I had no idea. I'm sorry, Cameron. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. So, yeah, I'm gonna go before each and every one of you get your guns and knives and start stabbing your computer. See you guys.
I'm sorry, Maskey, but that's not good enough for me. You gotta tell me more and more about why you are the Fred impersonator. Please, if you don't mind, please tell me.
Cameron, I was just trying to be funny. That's all. I did not mean to do this personally or anything. I just wanted to have some fun. And, I see you and I as really close friends. So, I'm very sorry, and I hope you will forgive me. And by the way, Fred does not have much viewers anymore, so why do you even care anymore? That's what I want to know. Why do you still care about Fred if he doesn't get a lot of views? That's what I want to know. So just tell me.
Maskey, shut up.
Cameron, apparently you have no idea who I am. You know what Maskey stands for? Maskey stands for Mass Killer.
Mass killer? You're kidding. You're a killer? Well, this is probably my last YouTube video ever on the Cameron Chipmunk channel. Yeah. I'm sorry, Maskey.
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for killing you. Well, goodbye, Cameron. chipmunk. 'Cause he is... Oh no, he's not down there, he's up there. Oh, when I said that means he's dead. So, yeah. And I also know how to do Cameron's voice really well. So I'll do the conclusion for Cameron. Sorry, Cameron, but I had to. You were making me mad and you scared me. So, yeah, I'll get to the conclusion right now.
Hey guys, it's Master. Whoa, dude, my voice sounds awesome like this. Wow, I've been learning a lot from Cameron. Anyway,